Alpine Linux versus Void Linux. Which lightweight Linux distro is better? Choosing the right lightweight Linux distro can transform your system's speed and efficiency without sacrificing control. We'll explore Alpine Linux and Void Linux, two popular minimalist options. Alpine Linux and Void Linux are both lightweight Linux distributions designed for efficiency and customization. The core difference lies in their approach. Alpine focuses on security and simplicity with muzzle-lib, while Void offers flexibility with its Runa init system and glibmas. Alpine Linux is a security-oriented, lightweight Linux distro built around muscle, libcarl, and busybox, making it exceptionally small and fast. It uses a hardened kernel and focuses on minimalism, which reduces attack surfaces and resource consumption. Alpine works by providing a minimal base system, allowing users to add only necessary packages through its AP Package Manager. Its strengths include strong security defaults, a tiny footprint ideal for containers and embedded systems, and simplicity for advanced users who want a lean environment. However, it can be challenging for beginners due to its minimal default setup and reliance on muzzle, which may cause compatibility issues with some software expecting glibsec. Alpine is ideal for users who prioritize security and minimalism, such as system administrators, container developers, and those running lightweight servers or appliances. For anyone wanting a secure and minimal Linux base with full control, Alpine delivers a robust foundation. Void Linux is an independent, general-purpose Linux distribution known for its simplicity and flexibility. It uses the Runa init system, providing a fast and straightforward alternative to systemd. Void is built around libcert by default, but also offers a muzzle-based variant, appealing to users seeking compatibility or minimalism. It operates with the XBPS package manager, which is efficient and easy to use. Void's strengths include its rolling release model, providing up-to-date software without major upgrades, and its straightforward configuration. It supports multiple architectures and is suitable for desktops, servers, and embedded devices. Limitations include a smaller user community compared to mainstream distros, which can mean less documentation and support. Void Linux is ideal for users who want a lightweight but flexible system with a choice of init systems and libraries, and who prefer a rolling release to keep software current without reinstalling. It suits experienced Linux users looking for control and customization without unnecessary complexity. When comparing Alpine Linux and Void Linux, Alpine excels in security and minimalism, making it perfect for containerized environments and security-focused applications. Its muscle-lib reduces size but can limit software compatibility. Void Linux offers more flexibility with glibc by default and a choice of init systems, making it better suited for general-purpose use and desktops. Alpine's static releases contrast with Void's rolling updates, so Alpine provides stability, while Void keeps software bleeding edge. For a lightweight server or embedded system prioritizing security, Alpine is a strong choice. For daily use or a customizable desktop with rolling updates, Void Linux shines. Each distro has trade-offs between security, compatibility, and update style, so the best choice depends on your specific needs. Choose Alpine Linux if you need a secure minimal base for containers or servers, and are comfortable with muscle and a lean environment. Void Linux is recommended for users seeking a flexible rolling release distro with glib support and Runa init, ideal for desktops and general-purpose systems. Both distros are excellent lightweight options, so pick the one that aligns best with your priorities in security, compatibility,